The second issue that we'll talk about is blood transfusion. How many here have done blood transfusion? Whether you've received blood or given. What is blood transfusion? Number one, maybe you don't understand. It's whereby you inject blood in a bloodstream of a patient. Wamepeana damu hapa. All of you have not. Actually, and you are so strong young men. Why? Jesus. How I often even donate. If I am passing by the town and they are there, they're usually there. I just sit down. Because but now you are strong men. Why are you not doing it? You should, because if maybe, God forbid, you're involved in maybe a major operation, or you had an accident and you need blood. If you've already donated and you have that card, you're given blood immediately. And it was paramount during even COVID. So if you find people donating blood somewhere, can you kindly donate? So you don't even know your blood group, right? Hi, Jesus. You're just here. You should be, that is part of charity. Oh my God. Those people should be told to come here in school so that you donate. All of you. Why? Huh? No, why? If you donate and see the blood, in no time it's going to. You'll eat, you're eating. You are that mean. I'm teaching you C.R.E. for when I'm telling you help the needy. I'm just teaching you for nothing. To pass exams, right? That is so bad. Should mold you. Give blood. You know, you might even, it's not even you. Sometimes sometimes you usually have relatives. I've had like 2 cases. They need blood and we have to go do what? Donate. And it's usually a dire moment when they need it. So we are all of us there donating. So make sure you make it a what? Make it something that you do often. So blood transfusion is usually to restore the blood lost during fatal accidents. Also, blood is usually given to those who are terminally ill, like those ones with anemia. Yes, and I'm sorry to give you this example. One of our teachers lost a child, and the child was anemic. And they passed on the anemic. See, I'm telling you, people need blood. So, you give blood to terminally ill people. You see, Mr. Mwanik, he lost a child. The child was anemic. Just the other day. See, I told you help other people. Also, after you donate the blood, remember that the blood is done what? Screened. Yes. In my previous station, when they came, they were first telling you, they'll even tell you your status if you want. So you donate and they tell you your status. They can even tell you your status prior. But remember that after the blood, after you donate blood, it is done what? Screened. So that it can be done what? It can determine your blood group so that we give to any anemic patient or cancer blood patient. And also it can be done what? It can be screened for any other disease that you might have, so that you don't do what? You don't give someone else issues when they are already sick. And ensure that when you're donating blood, the equipment is done what? Sterilized. It's sterilized. So, Christian view on blood transfusion. So, what do we believe about blood transfusion? As Christians, some Christians, not all of them, believe it is wrong. It is wrong for blood transfusion to be done, because it's just like you're giving what? Life to another person. Your own life. Blood is like your life. So, it's like you're taking another person's life. So some Christians are not for it. Others do not even support it because they say it is wrong to take blood from an healthy person and then give another person. Those who are also against it say it is bad because it can transmit dangerous diseases like HIV, AIDS, and hepatitis B. Those who are against it also say there are other methods, there are alternative methods of boosting the blood supply. Yes, you can improve the whatever you consume. Nowadays there are medication, yes, to boost your what? There are red blood cells or white. The one for blood, which ones? Red blood cells, yes. So the opinion is that you can use alternative methods instead of transfusion. Those who are for it say that blood transfusion is acceptable in order to save lives. And then we also, as some of the Christians, support it because we believe that we should prolong what? Life. Therefore, anything that is going to preserve life, it is important we do it. For example, blood transfusion. If someone is giving birth and they lose a lot of blood, there's no any other method that can be used. You cannot eat when you're in the operation room. You need what? Blood. You need blood transfusion. After an accident, a fatal, almost, maybe it was a fatal one, but you, for some reason, someone got what? Healed, got few injuries. And in theater, they need what? The blood. It is very important. That's why I keep on telling you donate. Also, we believe that as Christians, it is good to we support blood transfusion because God is the one who gave you what? Intelligence and capability to be able to make the right choice. So, and God is the one who gave us the intelligence to know about, to conquer death through what? Blood transfusion. So, it is good for it to be practiced.